Hi everyone, let's learn about genital anomalies. Genital tract anomalies. Aplasia may involve the whole or part of the genital tract in female. Ovarian agenesis appearing as a streak gonad valley is known. In Turner syndrome, the streak ovary consists of undifferentiated stroma and devoid of germ cells. Fallopian tube hypoplasia is represented by a rudimentary tube with an abdominal ostium and rudimentary femori. Uterus, unilateral development of the Mullerian duct giving rise to the unicornuate uterus is known to occur. Vagina, failure of vagina to canalize may be partial or complete. Depression marks the site of hymen. Vaginal aplasia associated with absence of the uterus is encountered in testicular feminizing syndrome and RKH syndrome. Hypoplasia. More common than aplasia, manifestations include rudimentary horn, absent or infantile small uterus or an infantile cervix. Atresia, it may involve a part or whole tract. Fallopian tube atresia may be partial or complete and leads to infertility. Partial atresia of the cervix and uterus may lead to hematometra. Hematocolapse. It is observed in young girls. Girls present with colicky abdominal pain which is often cyclic. Mullerian duct anomalies. Mullerian duct anomalies results from de facto fusion, canalization or absorption of the median septum of the female reproductive system during embryonic development. When two Mullerian ducts fail to fuse along the whole of their lengths at developing normal and remain separate, a condition termed uterus didelphi results. In this, two vagina opens at the vulva, cervix lies at the top of each vagina and two parts of the uterus above the level of cervix are completely separate. In uterus bicornuous, the vagina is single, but the two cornua of the uterus remain separate and two complete cervixes project into the vagina. In uterus bicornuous unicolous, the two cornua of the uterus are separate in the region of body, but there is single cervix and a single vagina. In uterus septum, two Mullerian ducts are fused. A median septum passes from the fundus of the uterus through the cervix and may extend into the vagina. In uterus subseptus, the septum is restricted to the body of the uterus. Arcuate uterus, and thus there is no actual septum in the region of fundus, but instead of the usual dome-shaped convexity of the fundus, there is a shallow concave depression. Uncornuate uterus is seen in 1% cases and associated with abnormality of that of kidney. Classification. Class 1 segmental Mullerian agenesis or hypoplasia, vaginal, cervical, fundal, tubal combined. Class 2 unicornuate uterus with rudimentary horn with a communicating endometrial cavity, second with a non-communicating cavity or with no cavity and without any rudimentary horn. Class 3 uterus didelphysis. Class 4 bicornuate uterus, a complete up to the internal os, partial or arcuate. Class 5 septate uterus with a complete septum with an incomplete septum or uterus subseptus. Class 6 uterus with internal luminal changes. Clinical aspects. Pubertal age and affect menstrual, sexual and reproductive functions. Following obstetrical and gynecological problems are due to partial fusion resulting in bicornuate or septate uterus. Habitual abortions, preterm labor, persistent malpresentations like transverse lie, oblique lie or breech presentations. Retained adherent placenta. Investigations. Ultrasound of the pelvis and renal region of kidney abnormality. Histogram, hysteroscopy, laparoscopy, chromosomal study, CT scan and MRI. Management. Stresemann reticuloplasty operation with a transverse fundal incision for reunification of the uterine cavity improves the obstetric outcome in women and bicornuate uterus. Jones operation of wedge resection of a part of the fundus along with the septum followed by uniting the two horn vertically in women with septate uterus and previous pregnancy loss. Tompkins operation for a separate uterus consists of incising the fundus in the midline, exposing the symptoms and excising it followed by reuniting the two parts in the midline. Hysteroscopy resection of the septum with help of a ristoscope or CO2 have simplified the procedure. Thank you.